Hello learners, myself Dr. Rajesh P. Ganorkar. I am presenting here a topic heterocyclic compound. So first of all, what is meant by heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compound which containing a heteroatom in its cyclic ring, then such type of heterocyclic compound, then such type of cyclic compounds are known as heterocyclic compound. Oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, this atom acts as a heteroatom. Means when oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur, any one of them will put in a cyclic ring of organic compound, then we get a heterocyclic compound. This heterocyclic compound is classified into three parts. So first is known as 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Second one, 6-membered heterocyclic compound, and third one is condensed heterocyclic compound. So first, 5-membered heterocyclic compound. 5-membered heterocyclic compound means it contains 4 carbon and 1 heteroatom in a cyclic ring of organic compound. So then we get a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. For example, pyrrole, furan, thiophene. These are the 5-membered heterocyclic compound. This in pyrrole, there is 1 carbon, 2nd carbon, 3rd carbon, 4th carbon and 1 nitrogen. Means it contains 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen in its aromatic cyclic ring. Then such type of compound is known as heterocyclic compound. In furan also, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th carbon and 1 heteroatom. In thiophene, there is also 4 carbon and sulfur as a heteroatom. Then we get a thiophene as a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Then 6-membered heterocyclic compound. 6-membered heterocyclic compound that contains 5 carbon and 1 heteroatom, then that is known as 6-membered heterocyclic compound. And for example, that is pyridine. Means this pyridine contains 1 carbon, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th carbon and 1 heteroatom. So pyridine contains 5 carbon, 1 heteroatom in its cyclic ring. Then such type of heterocyclic compound is called as 6-membered heterocyclic compound. And third, last is condensed heterocyclic compound. So It is indole. Quinolene means indole is contains 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Means this 5-membered heterocyclic compound contains a aromatic ring. Then such type of heterocyclic compound is known as condensed heterocyclic compound. For example, indole. But when a 6-membered heterocyclic compound contains an aromatic ring, that gives a quinolene, which is known as condensed heterocyclic compound. So we have to study only, as per our syllabus, only 5-membered and 6-membered heterocyclic compound. So first, a 5-membered heterocyclic compound is pyrrole, CH double bond, CH double bond, CH and H. It is known as pyrrole, or it can be written as So the molecular formula for pyrrole is C4H5N, means it contains 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen as a heteroatom. So this is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound, and it can be written as this. Then we have to synthesize the pyrrole. First synthesis from acetylene. It's we have to prepare pyrrole from acetylene. CH triple bond CH, CH triple bond CH. When a mixture of acetylene and ammonia pass through red hot tube, that gives a pyrrole. It is pyrrole plus H2. Means when a mixture of acetylene and ammonia pass through red hot tube, that gives a pyrrole. So in such a way, after mechanistic path, we get a pyrrole. Second one, from succinimide, CH2 C double bond O and H, C double bond O. It is known as succinimide. This succinimide isomerizes CH single bond CH double bond C OH and H CH. So this succinimide isomerizes to its enol form. So this one is keto form of succinimide and this one is enol form of succinimide. Means after isomerization to its enol form, we get a enol form of succinimide. After distillation, that yields a pyrrole. Means when this enol form of succinimide isomerizes to when isomerization means there will be a conversion of enol form of succinimide to keto form and conversion of keto form to enol form. But first we have to convert this keto form of succinimide to enol form, and then this enol form on distillation that gives CH, single bond CH, double bond CH and H, CH, NH, means that gives a pyrrole plus twice ZnO. Means there will be a removal after distillation by zinc dust, there will be a removal of oxygen and we get our final product which is known as pyrrole. So third preparation, from furan. This furan is created by ammonia when furan is created by ammonia that gives a pyrrole plus H2O. Means there will be a removal of this water molecule and we get our final product which is known as pyrrole. So there are only three preparation or synthetic applications, synthetic reactions of pyrrole. First, preparation from acetylene. Preparation of pyrrole from acetylene. When a mixture of acetylene and ammonia pass through red hot tube, that gives a pyrrole. Second preparation from succinimide. Keto form of succinimide isomerizes to enol form, and enol form of succinimide on distillation with zinc dust that gives a pyrrole by the removal of zinc oxide. And third one is preparation from furan. Means preparation of one heterocyclic compound from another heterocyclic. Because furan is also a heterocyclic compound and pyrrole is also a heterocyclic compound. So we have to prepare pyrrole from furan. Then this furan is created with ammonia that gives a pyrrole after removal of water molecule. Then basic nature of pyrrole. This pyrrole is weak in basic nature. So when pyrrole is created with HCl in absence of air, that gives a pyrrole hydrochloride, and in presence of oxygen it gives brown resin. So pyrrole on reaction with HCl in absence of air, oxygen, that gives a pyrrole hydrochloride, and when in presence of oxygen that gives a pyrrole converts to brown resin. So this pyrrole is weak basic in nature. Another acidic nature. This pyrrole is basic as well as acidic in nature, but pyrrole is weak basic and very weak acidic in nature. So pyrrole is created by KOH, potassium hydroxide, that gives potassium pyrrole. Means pyrrole on reaction with KOH that gives a potassium pyrrole. This is acidic in nature, but this pyrrole is very weak acidic in nature. We have already studied, I will repeat it. We have already studied heterocyclic compounds. The conversion or classification of heterocyclic compound, the synthesis of heterocyclic compound. So first we have studied heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound means a cyclic compound or organic cyclic compound which containing at least one heteroatom. Which are the heteroatoms? Heteroatoms may be nitrogen, may be oxygen, or may be sulfur. Then such type of cyclic compound is known as heterocyclic compound. Means replacement of carbon of cyclic ring by means of heteroatom. So another, this will be classified into three parts. First, 5-membered heterocyclic compound, 6-membered heterocyclic compound, and third one is condensed heterocyclic compound. So first, 5-membered heterocyclic compound examples are pyrrole, furan, and thiopene. So it contains 4 carbon and 1 heteroatom. Another 6-membered heterocyclic compound, a cyclic compound which containing 5 carbon and 1 heteroatom in its cyclic ring, then that is called as 6-membered heterocyclic compound. For example, pyridine, it acts as a 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Third one is condensed heterocyclic compound. Condensed heterocyclic compound, that may be 5 or 6-membered heterocyclic compound condensed with aromatic ring, then such type of heterocyclic compounds are known as condensed heterocyclic compound. For example, the example are indole and phenol. Then synthesis. Synthesis, first of all we have to turn towards a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. For example, pyrrole, and then synthesis of pyrrole. So first, pyrrole have been synthesized by acetylene, by furan, and by succinylide. So first, from pyrrole, preparation of pyrrole from acetylene, the mixture of acetylene and ammonia pass through radar tube, that gives a pyrrole. Another second one is succinimide. The keto form of succinimide isomerizes to enol form. Then this enol form of succinimide on distillation with zinc dust, that gives a pyrrole, and they are known as a cycle. And third one is preparation of pyrrole from furan, means synthesis of one heterocyclic compound from another. This furan is treated with ammonia, that gives a pyrrole. Then properties, one acidic nature and another basic nature. So basic nature means pyrrole is weak basic in nature. So pyrrole created with HCl in absence of air, that gives pyrrole hydrochloride, and in presence of oxygen, that gives a brown ring. Basic nature as per this, and acidic nature, pyrrole is very weak in acidic nature. For example, pyrrole created with KOH, that gives a potentiopyrrole. So in compare with basic nature is weak, but a acidic nature is a very weak of pyrrole. Thank you.